For asset-intensive industries, equipment reliability directly impacts production, safety, and profitability. Unexpected equipment failures can lead to unplanned downtime, costly repairs, and significant production losses. This solution helps maintenance and operations teams proactively manage asset health through AI-driven predictive maintenance. The solution continuously monitors operational data from critical equipment, such as compressors, pumps, heat exchangers, steam generators, and other production assets. By analyzing sensor data including vibration, temperature, pressure, and other operating parameters, AI provides a real-time view of equipment health across the plant. Each asset is continuously assessed based on its probability of failure and the potential operational impact, enabling maintenance teams to prioritize the equipment that presents the highest business risk. But monitoring asset health is only part of the solution. When abnormal operating conditions are detected, AI identifies early warning signs of potential failures and recommends the most effective maintenance actions before problems escalate. Based on the type and severity of the issue, the system can recommend activities such as inspections, component replacements, valve overhauls, or other maintenance interventions, together with the expected likelihood of resolving the issue. At the same time, the solution evaluates spare parts availability and procurement requirements. If replacement components are needed, AI generates procurement recommendations early enough to avoid delays, allowing maintenance planning and spare parts procurement to proceed in parallel. As equipment conditions continue to evolve, the platform continuously reassesses operational risk. If the probability of failure increases, recommendations become progressively more urgent, including prioritizing maintenance activities, expediting purchase orders for critical spare parts, and preventing failures before they result in unplanned downtime. This provides maintenance, operations, and procurement teams with a unified view of equipment health, maintenance priorities, and spare parts readiness, enabling faster and more informed operational decisions. The AI models can be built using historical maintenance records, sensor data, operational history, equipment specifications, and failure patterns, and tailored to the organization's assets and maintenance strategies. The result is a decision support solution that reduces unplanned downtime, extends equipment life, improves maintenance planning, optimizes spare parts availability, and enables organizations to transition from reactive maintenance to predictive, risk-based asset management. From strategy through implementation, we help enterprises turn AI opportunities into measurable outcomes. Contact us to learn more.